Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom network in Coinbase wallet. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into Coinbase wallet mobile application. Now after that you have to just simply click on the after logging in you will get to see this kind of interface on Coinbase wallet. Now you have to choose this setting in the bottom as you can see here. This is the setting you have to choose. Just simply click over here, and after clicking on the setting it will show something like this, and you have to scroll down a little bit, and from there you have to choose the network option over here. As you can see here, just click on the networks. Now after clicking on the network, this kind of interface appear in front of you. Now from here you have to tap on this plus icon which is over here. Now to add a new network, you will now see the field where you can need to enter the network details like network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol, and explorer URL. So you have to add, you can find this information on the official website of the blockchain, or trusted sources like blog community or forums as well. So now, if you are adding a testnet, make sure to enable it, scroll down and turning on active network. You can also enable testnet like Arbitrum as well. Now, by selecting it and clicking to the save, enter the all of the details and save it. That's it. That's how you can add a custom network on the Coinbase wallet.